Morning. Gonna be making breakfast today. Come and join me.
Join me in my breakfast making.
So I'm going to be adding honey to an empty bowl and then yogurt. I'm gonna try to fill it up all the way to the top as much as I can, and then I'm gonna add some chia seeds. As you can see there, probably 3 handfuls. Pumpkin seeds and some shredded coconut. I will be stirring this up, and this will last me at least 2 days. We'll be eating this tomorrow, and this is a good source of protein with the omega-3 in the chia seeds. So now I'm cutting some strawberries, cutting them to little cubes. Really nice fresh strawberries makes a difference in your yogurt pudding, your chia seed yogurt pudding. Then I'm going to be cutting and sorting out some raspberries and blackberries and even blueberries. So we're trying to get as many antioxidants as we can in our bowl. Pouring them into the strainer there so we can wash the berries. And as you can see, the berries are going to be nice and fresh, which is what you want. Then we're going to stir everything up together. I mean, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? I love eating healthy food. It's really amazing what God has made. And then we're going to serve them up. And my secret, lavender. Just add a little bit of lavender and it makes a difference. A really big difference. Then I'm going to be adding some dark chocolate. And that's my plating. Now look at that. It looks so delicious. Now I'm going to be cutting up some turkey that I made yesterday. You can see my video from yesterday. I made the turkey. It came out so good. Now we're going to then put it in a frying pan with olive oil. Best olive oil you can have is organic virgin olive oil. We're going to fry it up and we're going to be cracking some eggs in there. Yep, bunch of eggs. And of course, we can't forget our sourdough bread. We need to heat those up. Of course, we can't forget about our organic green tea with our Manuka honey. So good, especially when you add a splash of milk. Next up, we're making our salad. We're going to be cutting up some strawberries and adding it to our Russian kale. And of course, we can't forget the feta cheese and some balsamic raspberry vinaigrette. Look at that deliciousness. Now, don't forget that no matter how healthy you eat, you still have to be active. But here we go. This is our plating now. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Leave some comments if you have any questions, and God bless you.